Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about intellectual property rights, which has a very good place in education sector, and especially in research, which basically refers to legal rights that are granted to individuals or entities for their intellectual creations or innovations. So these rights are basically designed to protect the interests of creators and encourage innovation by providing a framework for the exclusive use and commercialization of their creations. So, in the context of research and development, IPR plays a crucial role in safeguarding the intellectual and financial investments made by researchers or institutions. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn a detailed explanation of various aspects of intellectual property rights. For example, types of intellectual property rights. So, what are the types which are there in IPR? The first one is A, patent or patents. Patents is basically to protect inventions. In simple words, we say protect the inventions. Protect the inventions and further discoveries. Or granting the inventor exclusive rights to use or to make or to sell or to distribute the invention for a specific period of time. Maybe 10 years, 20 years, 15 years, normally 20 years of time. That is the first IPR right. The second IPR right is copyrights. B, copyrights. What does copyright say? It says protect original works of authorship. Original works of authorship, such as artistic, musical creations, or any other creations which are unique in its kind and which has to be protected. So copyrights gives the protection to those kind of works, and copyrights give the creator exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, or display their work. Number third in this category is trademark. Trademarks. Trademarks is to protect symbols. Protect symbols. Names and slogans. And trademarks ensure that consumers can identify the source of the product or service. So, number four in this category is trade secrets. Trade secrets. What does trade secrets say? It says protect confidential business information. So, trade secrets helps you in protection of protect confidential business information, such as formulas, processes, designs, or customer list. Hope the concept of IPR is clear to you all. See you in the another lecture. Till then, take care. God bless us all.